Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all will be doing well. Welcome to Forward Public School, e-learning class 10, subject chemistry, chapter number 9, chemical equilibrium. Today we will discuss the part B of topic 5, that is effect of conditions on equilibrium position. And I am your teacher Mehreen Zafar. Dear students, today in this lecture we will discuss the change of concentration of reactants and products. So in this factor change of concentration of reactants and products, we will discuss 4 cases. Case number 1 is by increasing the concentration of reactants. Case 2 by decreasing the concentration of reactants. Case 3 by increasing the concentration of products. Case 4 by decreasing the concentration of products. Now we will discuss each case in detail. First, we will discuss case 1, that is by increasing the concentration of reactants. When equilibrium is already established in a chemical reaction and we disturb it by increasing the concentration of reaction, what will happen? So, increasing the concentration of reactants leads to the shifting of equilibrium in the forward direction. So, reaction will go in the forward direction to regain its equilibrium state. Second case we have by decreasing the concentration of reactants. Now what will happen if we decrease the concentration of a reactants? So to disturb the already existing equilibrium constant. Dear students, decreasing the concentration of reactants will shift the equilibrium point in reverse direction, which means that the reaction will go in the reverse direction to rebuild its equilibrium point. Our third case is by increasing the concentration of products. Now, what will happen if we increase the concentration of products? By increasing the concentration of product, the equilibrium will shift in reverse direction in order to regain its equilibrium point. And the fourth case is by decreasing concentration of products. So dear students, decreasing the concentration of product will disturb the already existing equilibrium. In such case, the equilibrium will shift in the forward direction to regain its equilibrium point. Now, what are the ways to recognize equilibrium? This is a very important question, that how we come to know that the equilibrium in a chemical reaction has been established. So, in order to recognize the equilibrium state, we have the following methods: physical method and chemical method. Dear students, by both the method, whether it is physical or chemical, when the concentration of reactant substance becomes constant, it means that equilibrium is established. Now, physical method. The word physical means that we can measure it through an instrument. So we have the following instrumental tools for equilibrium, that is refractometry. We have refractometry and polarometers. Well, polarimeter and refractometry, these are two instrumental tools by which we can find out the equilibrium in any chemical reaction. And the third one is spectrophotometer. Spectrophotometer. So with the help of light, we can get a spectrum, arrangement of the light, and from that arrangement, we get the information about the establishment of chemical equilibrium. Now we will discuss the chemical methods. So what are the chemical methods by which we can recognize the chemical equilibrium? So dear students, the chemical methods include titration. Now what is titration? Titration is actually an analytical technique, analytical method which is used to determine the concentration of unknown chemical compounds. This is the end of today's lecture. Hope you have understood it well. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.